the Christmas holiday, and it's Christmas break for me and my sister, and that's when our parents decided to surprise us with a long road trip. And of course, me and my sister Amishi, we were ecstatic. We were so ready. We were so pumped. We got into the car all excited for all of those long hours we have to do whatever we wanted. But I kid you not, 3 hours into the trip, only 3 hours, both me and my sister, we got so bored at just looking at our electronics. And that's when we both decided to pick up our books. And I was reading A Good Girl's Guide to Murder by Holly Jackson. And I thought that this book, it would last me the entire trip. But one thing I didn't account for was me getting absolutely hooked onto it. Like, I was reading this faster than the Flash. I was having so much fun, and I was like, oh my God, what's happening next? What's happening next? What's happening next? And I was so ready for the next part. And then when I eventually finished reading this book, I noticed that there were 2 other similar books by the same author, and I immediately wanted to read them because we still had plenty of hours left on our road trip. And while this one was still fresh in my mind, I wanted to read the other ones immediately. But the thing was, the only way to gain access for the other 2 was to either buy it digitally or buy it physically. And to me, I don't like to buy books. I would much rather go to a library, check out some books, and then return it later because it's just easier for me to track all my books that way. However, libraries are there to serve your local community, and you have to prove you live in that community by either your driver's license or a library card. And even though I don't live in a specific community, I do live in the country. So I think I should be able to check out a book on one side of the country and return it on the other. So here's where my unique thought comes into play. Despite having an astounding library system, there is no network of all of these libraries. Like, I think I should be able to check out a book in Alaska and return it all the way in Texas. And this can be possible if somehow we can network all of these libraries together, just as how some universities have done it. And even though some universities have networked all of these libraries together, it's limited. And I want to make it bigger. I want to make it so that you could literally take out a book anywhere in a country and return it anywhere you please. So my unique thought? A network of all of the libraries. And if you haven't guessed it already, it's me, Amishi, and you are here at the Perspective Building Workshop specialized for you, so you could get your unique thought by just monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. And if I could get my unique thought by just a book, then you can too. So make sure to keep your eyes and your mind wide open. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all next time. Bye!